To be honest, I don't know how to explain what I'm gonna do in this level. So I'll explain it in the dumbest way possible. In the most simplest way. So in the last in the last level we ditched bullets to experiment with spawning obstacles, wall obstacles. But in this level we're gonna go back to bullets. It's pretty straightforward. Our enemy object is gonna shoot bullets and our player object is gonna shoot bullets. But in this level our enemy object is gonna be accompanied by two turrets. So one turret is gonna be here and the other is gonna be here. The turrets that I'm gonna add to this level are not gonna move like our enemy object. Instead, the turrets are gonna rotate endlessly. So the turrets are gonna constantly rotate from 90 degrees to 180 degrees, like this. And as the turrets rotate, they will automatically fire bullets to help the enemy object. But okay, let's start. Let's first create objects. Let's first create our turret objects. We're gonna create an empty object just for categorizing turrets. Then we're gonna use primitive objects. Let's position this at the corner. There. Now we're gonna copy this. Okay. Right turret. And then left turret. Put these here. Now, I am not sure about this, but I don't think our bullets are gonna need a collider. So we're gonna remove these. Does this create an issue? Hold on. No, okay. Okay, now that we have our turret objects set, even if they are primitive, they are there. Now we're going to create a script for our turrets. Go into our scripts folder. We're going to create yet another subfolder. We're going to start with our turret behavior script. Alright, so since we want our turrets to constantly rotate from one rotation to another, we need to have a minimum and a maximum value variables for our angle. So we'll do just that. Pivot, float, mean, angle. It's gonna be 90 degrees. And this is gonna be 180. Then we need the rotation speed. Let's start with this. Now, how do I explain the next part? Listen. We can't give these two turrets the same angles. I mean, we can and we will, but For this turret, the angles need to be positive, as you can see. And for this, the left turret, the angles need to be negative. So we need to find a way, we need to figure out a way to let our script know that this object in particular is like a mirror to this object. So the left turret is gonna mirror our right turret. To determine which object is the mirror object, we're gonna create a public bool variable. We're gonna call it is mirror object, and then we can leave it as it is. Now let's save this. What? Oh, right. Now we're gonna assign our script to our turrets. There. And you can see that we have a bool value here, something that we can toggle. And that's because we made it so is mirrored object is a public variable. Our left turret is gonna be the mirror object because our left turret is gonna use negative angles while the right turret is gonna use positive angles. So we're gonna select our left turret and we're gonna check is mirror object.